Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'm going to help you learn how to link a private story on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping. In order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by typing open your Snapchat application and sign into your account. If necessary, go ahead and take a snap or upload a snap, and once you do that, go to the sticker button to the upper right from your sticker. Tap on the story option at the upper right corner, and on this page, you'll be able to see two options. That says the custom story and private story. Go ahead and enter your new custom story name, and if you select custom story, then anyone who joins can contribute to your story. If you want to set it to only yourself, then tap on the private story. Select your option, and in your story preview, you'll be able to see this kind of sticker. Place it somewhere, and once you upload your story, now the viewers who view your story will be able to tap on your sticker and join your private story. That is how you can link a private story on Snapchat and let people join, and I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.